In an ocean way out yonder, as all sapient people know, is the land of wonder, where the children love to go. Is there playing, romping, skipping that gives great joy to me, while the Dinkey Bird is singing in the amphalula tree. There the gumdrops grow like cherries, and toffees thick as peas. Caramels you pick like berries, when and where and how you please. Big red sugar plums cling to the cliffs beside that sea, where the Dinkey Bird is singing in the amphalula tree. So when children shout and scamper and make merry all the day, when there's naught to put a damper to the ardour of their play, when I hear their laughing, I am as sure can be that the Dinkey Bird is singing in the amphalula tree. For the Dinkey Bird's staccatos and bravuras are so sweet. His roulades, poggiatoras and robustas all complete, that the youth of every nation, be they near or far away, have his special delectation in that gladsome roundelay. Their eyes grow bright and brighter, and their lungs begin to crow. Their hearts get light and lighter, and their cheeks are all aglow. And then an echo cometh and brings the news to all and me, that the Dinkey Bird is singing in the amphalula tree. I know you'd like to go there to meet your feathered friend, for so many goodies grow there you would like to comprehend. Speed, little dreams, you're winging to that land across the sea, where the Dinkey Bird is singing in the amphalula tree.